Prompt: Chat GPT, what are your limitations? As an AI language model, I have certain limitations. Lack of real-time updates. My training data goes up until September 2021, which means I may not have the most recent information or be aware of current events beyond that date. Inability to access restricted information. I don't have access to subscription-based content, paywalled articles, or any other proprietary information that requires a login or special access. Contextual understanding. While I can generate responses based on patterns and knowledge, I may not always fully understand the context of a question. It's important to provide clear and specific information to receive accurate and relevant responses. Biased or inaccurate information. I strive to provide accurate and unbiased information, but as an AI model, I can still unintentionally generate incorrect or biased responses. It's always a good idea to cross-check information from reliable sources. Ethical and legal guidelines. I follow ethical guidelines set by OpenAI, which means I won't engage in harmful, illegal, or malicious activities. I prioritize user safety and adhere to strict usage policies. Remember, while I can assist with a wide range of topics, it's important to exercise critical thinking, validate information from multiple sources, and consult professionals or experts when needed for specific or sensitive matters. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more examples.